1-48. Matthew's mother asked him to go to the store for her. To get to the store, he walked 7 city blocks. He caught the bus and rode 13 blocks. He got off and walked 1.5 blocks to the store. He purchased the items his mother wanted and returned home the same way. How many total blocks did he travel? So I'm going to go back to the problem. Go ahead and pause and create a diagram on your own. I'm going to do the same, or analyze the words first if you haven't read it yourself. What I want to go back is, I know he walked. So the beginning, he walked 7 city blocks. Then he was on a bus for 13 blocks. Then he walked again, and specifically the number is 1.5. 1.5. I also know that after he purchased, he returned home exactly the same way. So if I'm looking for total blocks he traveled, the way going to the store and the way going back to the store is the same type of same numbers, same blocks. So a diagram could look like that for me. So he walked 7 blocks. He rode the bus, so on the bus for 13, and then he walked 1.5, so 1.5. Now you could also use a fraction, of course, 1 and 1/2, like that, or a decimal, and that was walking. So that means he got to the store right here, and then he used the same way. He walked the same way back. That means I have the same numbers: 1.5 walking, 13 on the bus, and then 7 walking. So total means add all those numbers together. They're all the same, assuming the same blocks in terms of size for distance. So my expression is 7 plus 13 plus 1.5, and then plus 1.5 going back, plus 13 plus 7. Notice that the numbers repeat, so we could have doubled them, but it's really up to you how you're gonna write the expression, as long as you are using all total numbers or blocks. Now I like to group my numbers. I see a 20 here, and of course a 20 here, so I'm just combining the numbers that make sense to me. Also 1.5 and 1.5, you could use mental math or on the side. So I have 3 whole numbers, or 3.0, so I'm grouping them based on numbers that I see. And then right now I have total blocks walked is 43. Now go ahead and write in a complete sentence what the answer for how many total blocks did he travel. So it's not just going to be 43, but will be 40. He traveled 43 blocks total.